Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah. So Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today is the day 2 of Python Selenium. So today we make the script. So this script will work like if this script will automatically open the browser and sign up and sign in the Gmail account, and also if we make the new account on the Gmail. So by this script we will check how to open the browser. So today we use the Firefox browser. So first of all we open the browser like that. We open the browser and make the new account on the Gmail. So first of all, as it is, we write from Selenium import WebDriver. So from WebDriver manager dot. So in the previous video, in the day 1 we use Chrome. So today we use Firefox. Import, and the driver name is Gecko driver. So the Firefox driver name is Gecko driver. Okay. So basically the Chrome driver name is Chrome driver manager, but the Firefox driver name is Gecko driver manager. So after that we import the library of the buy. So as it is, we write from selenium.webdriver.common. So you see in the previous video, in the day 1 we learn how to import this library buy. So in this script we will also import our library buy. So we use buy, so that's why we use this library. So basically this library is for to click for the clicking, to create account for the next step, and also it is used for automatically enter the Gmail and any other things. So after that we also in this video, in this script we will not use time. So if you use the time, so it's depend on your but in this video we will not, in this script we will not write the library of the time. So as it is, we write driver equal to WebDriver dot Firefox. So today we use Firefox, so web browser, so we use Firefox. So we in the previous video we will write here Chrome driver manager, but for the Firefox we use executable path. So executable path. So in the Chrome we use Chrome driver manager, but in the Force but in the Firefox or in the Microsoft Edge we use executable path and give the path of the driver manager, Gecko driver manager, and also give the brackets, parentheses, and also install. So the Gecko driver will automatically install. If this driver is not installed in your machine, in your host, so it will automatically install. So that's why we use this. So after that we write driver dot get. So we enter the path of the website. So here is the path of the website. So this is the path of the website. So here we add the path of the website. So we close all the tab and close all the tab. Wait just a minute. So we run our script to check basically the Firefox browser is open or not. We will check. So it takes time because it will automatically install the Gecko driver manager. So ignore this warning, because we learn how to solve this error in the next videos. So you see it will automatically open this path. So after that we will next step we will add the sign button. How it will automatically press the sign button. So I will manually click on the sign button. So how it will uh, enter the sign button. So we will add in our script. So you go in the, so in where we will inspect. So here we go in the inspect, and so it will show this path. So this is the sign button our. So this is the sign. So we copy. So here we add like that, driver dot find element. So we use find element by. So we which we use the by library here. So it use here when we automatically enter press any button or automatically enter the any username password. So we use this library. So we use here here we use partial link. So what is partial link? So partial link is basically you see that it is the sign in button. So in some website we will use partial link. So partial link mean that you will write as it sign in name. So we will check it will work or not. We will paste as it is sign in button. So we will check it will work or not. And you will also use this link. You will also use link text, and also you will use partial link. So first of all we check by the link text. So we will check it will open. It takes some time. I will take a sip of my tea. So it takes time. We will wait. So it will open our browser, and see it will automatically open the path, and see it will automatically enter the sign in button or not. We will check. So it will automatically press the enter button or not. So basically it will not enter the press button. So why it will not press the enter sign in button? Because we will not add here click. So basically we will click on the sign in button. So after that it will click on the sign button. So we run our script. So we forget the click. So that's why it will not automatically click on the sign button. So we run our script again. So we check it will automatically enter the sign button or not. So it will open our browser or not. So it takes time because my network is also slow, and after some other issues. So it open the website, and it will automatically enter the sign button or not. We will check. So it takes time. I think my network is very slow, so that's why you will check. It will automatically enter the sign in, press the sign in button. So here you add your Gmail, and but in this video we will create a new account. So here you inspect the create account, and here we check this class. So you go on inspect and copy the XPath. So here we use the XPath, driver dot find element by dot. So we use not link text, not ID, we use XPath. here we give the XPath, and here we also click on the, you check, here we also click on the create account. So that's why we will write in our script click. Okay, so click. If we enter our email or phone number, so we will add send keys. Okay, so we run our script and check it will work or not. So it takes time because it automatically install the driver. Just ignore this error. We will solve this error in the few videos. So it takes time because my network is very slow, so that's why network speed is very slow. So that's why it takes so much time. It takes so much time, so we close these browsers. We check it will automatically open and press on the create button or not. It will not press on the create button, I think. We check this. Yeah, it will give the error, you see. So it will give the error xpath and .html dot click. So it will give the error. So we resolve the error here by .xpath. So we resolve the error. Wait, just wait. So here we inspect again and check what is the error. So here is the GS name, and we copy the path again. So we copy our path again. So here we copy the path again. So we check what is the error. Create account. Okay. So we run our script. We will check what is the error. We debug our error. I will check, but it will work, but on this time it will not work. What is the error? So we will check what is the error and debug our error. So my network is very slow, so that's why it takes so much time. Yeah, okay. So we will see that it will automatically press on the create account. So after that we use our Gmail for my personal use. So we use our Gmail for my personal use. So we inspect our this button. So we copy the XPath. So we use only the XPath. So also we use the click because we click the for personal use. So this is our last step. Use XPath and copy the XPath and dot click. So we check this will work or no. So after that it will work. It will give the first name and last name. So it will take time because it will automatically install the driver. So we will check it will open the browser and open the path. It will take time because my network is very slow, so that's why it takes so much time. So we will check. It will automatically press the sign in button, and after that it will press on the create button. It will take time. It will, you see, it will press on the sign in button. After that it will press on the create button and press on the for my personal use. So you see, so we make our script like that. So if I also enter the username and password, so we inspect what is the first name. So we go here and copy the XPath. So we will see how to enter the first name. Okay, so by dot XPath, so we copy XPath, so we use XPath. So it will give error because the first name is in double quotation. So we use also outside double quotation. So we use in the first name we use single quotation. So we use single quotation. So we check it will work or not. So after that we will enter the name. So we will use send keys. So when we enter anything, so we will use send keys. So enter the name. My name is Adil. So we check it will automatically enter my name, first name or not. It takes time, so we will check it will work or not. So it will automatically open our browser, and after that it will automatically press the sign in button. You check, and after that it will press on the create account and for my personal use and enter my first name. Okay, you see, so this is our script. So like same you will also go on the inspect, and if you enter our last name, so go on the inspect and copy here the XPath and enter in our script. So thank you.